Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make coconut chutney. This is a spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with idlis and dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of coconut. You can either cut it into small pieces or grate the coconut and then add it. I've already made a video on how to deshell a coconut in just few seconds. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Then to this add half cup of roasted Bengal gram, 5 green chilies and half teaspoon of salt. Grind it well. Then to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Now we have a very smooth paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl. Season the coconut chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now our delicious coconut chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this coconut chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.